Hola, in this video we are going to be finding out the differences between entender and comprender. Vamos allá.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Coffee Break Spanish. Yo soy Mark.
Y yo soy Marina.
And we're delighted to be back with another video for you in which we're answering a listener's question. And this week, listener Katie got in touch with us and asked what's the difference between entender and comprender. Now, both words mean to understand. Marina, is there a difference between these two words?
There's a slight difference, but the first thing that we need to know is that they are normally interchangeable. And perhaps the most common one is entender.
Okay, I think we should look at some examples where they both work, okay?
Okay, we could say, entiendo el problema.
Okay, entiendo el problema. So I understand the problem.
Or you can say, comprendo el problema.
So comprendo works there as well. Comprendo el problema. Both work.
And another example could be, entiendo tu tristeza.
Okay, so entiendo. I'll just put the curly bracket in already. Tu tristeza. So I understand your sadness, and I think you know what's coming.
Comprendo tu tristeza.
Okay, so in both cases here, we've got entender and comprender working, meaning more or less the same thing. So I understand the problem, I understand the problem, both work. Entiendo, comprendo, entiendo tu tristeza, comprendo tu tristeza. Marina, is there any difference here between entiendo tu tristeza and comprendo tu tristeza?
Okay, as a native speaker, I would say that entiendo is a little bit more kind of superficial. And if we use the verb comprendo, we are being more empathetic.
Yeah. Okay, so I can almost sense myself saying, comprendo tu tristeza. You're
you go deeper there.
Yeah, absolutely. So could we look at a sentence where there is a difference between entender and comprender, maybe on that level of depth?
Okay, let me think. Entiendo lo que estás diciendo.
Okay, so entiendo lo que estás diciendo. So I understand that which you are saying. I understand what you're saying.
Pero no comprendo por qué lo dices.
Okay, pero no comprendo, but I don't understand por qué lo dices. So I don't understand the reason behind what you're saying. Okay, no comprendo por qué lo dices. I don't understand why you're saying it. Is that it?
Yeah, I think that's the idea.
So we've got entiendo here from entender. I understand what you're saying. I understand the words on that kind of superficial level. Pero no comprendo. I don't understand in a deeper level por qué lo dices. Why you're saying it. So a very slight difference between entender and comprender. Most of the time they will work the same way as each other, but there is that very slight difference. And we hope that that's helped you, Katie, work out what this difference is. Now, if you have a question like Katie, then please get in touch with us. You can head over to our website at coffeebreakquestions.com. You can leave your question there. Hopefully, we'll be able to include that in a future episode of our show. And if you've enjoyed this episode, if you've learned something about how to use entender and comprender, then give it a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel, hitting that little bell icon that appears, because that way you'll be notified whenever we post a new video.
And why not practice everything you've learned today? You can write a comment using the verbs entender and comprender, and we'd love to read all of them.
And we hope that you've understood this video, and you can use either there. Comprender and entender both work. Muchas gracias, Kiri, por la pregunta, y muchas gracias a vosotros y a ti, Marina.
Muchas gracias a ti, Mark. Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto.